This is the new Stellar Mini Joystick Controller. This controller can control your PTZ camera with no hassle. Can control up to 7 PTZ cameras. It has fully adjustable knobs for your PTZ. For pan and tilt speed, zoom speed, focus, and other more for manual adjustments. It also comes with a preview screen for you to see the video output of the camera when controlling. Adding a PTZ camera is very simple because all the necessary settings are already here in the controller: device management, protocol settings, network, knobs, display, and more. Here in device management, this is where we can add a PTZ camera. All we need to do is integrate the PTZ camera's IP address into our devices. Here is the protocol settings: network, knobs, display, also the beeping sound on your controller. You can also customize the joystick into reverse if you like, or depending on your setup. Click the subscribe button and notification bell to keep updated on our latest videos. If you want to learn more about the Stellar Mini Joystick Controller, message us today.